All right, guys, welcome to this official launch day of BigtinkCore software, and everything you know about the software and how to use it and how to get started with the software. If you're just coming up, this is the grand launch of the BigtinkCore software. At the moment, um, we are streaming. I'm streaming on both Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So I'm going to show you guys how to use the software and everything about the software and how to get used to it. Anybody? All right, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today, we are doing something amazing and we are launching the platform called the BigtinkCore system. So, first of all, what is BigtinkCore? So, the BigtinkCore is an accounting software and a retail POS terminal. Good evening, good morning. Today, we are doing something magical. Today, we are launching the BigtinkCore accounting and retail software that runs locally, that is offline and online. This software is everything you need to run a successful business and also to run your businesses, even if you are not present. The software is 100% free for now, but after this live feed, it's not going to be free anymore. So, what is this software? How does it work? How can you use it? So, this software is called the BigtinkCore, and it's a software that manages your businesses. If you have a restaurant business, if you have a supermarket, if you have a retail store, if you have like literally a lot of different things in between. If you have a supermarket, mini mart, fashion store, if you have a electronic shop, or you have a general retail shop, even if you have a warehouse, this software manage your businesses. And the best part of this software is that it runs online and also it runs offline. So first of all, there is the part for the offline version. Even if there's no internet connection, this software operates itself. And it uses, It's just a very simple software which does not require so much space in your system. So you download the software, install it in your office computer or laptop, and your staff, that is your cashiers, are going to be operating it every single day at the end of, let's say, 12 p.m. or let's say 11 p.m. or 10 p.m. You receive an email. That email you're going to receive is the general overview of the total sales that was generated that day. So let me not let me not just go through so many other English. Maybe just go straight to the point and show exactly how to use the software. The first you're looking at here is the website. All right, let me drop the link to the comment section so that you see the link. The link is here. Let me hold on a little bit. The link is this one. Get BigtinkCore.com. So this is I've dropped the link already, so you can check the link out to see how it works. Right. So I don't know if you are seeing the screen as well. Let me just remove myself from the space so that you see the full screen. So now, if you look at what we have here, you can look at the link GetBigtinCore.com. This software runs offline and also it runs online. It means that in your store or in your shop, if you don't have internet connection, at the end of the business day, you can connect the internet and push the data online. Everything shows on your portal, which I'm going to show you how to install it, how to use the software, how to manage your stores, how to manage inventories, how to do a lot of different things with the software. It's best ideal for business owners operating in Nigeria. And I don't want you to waste time. I don't want to just go and be using all these big tech softwares and start wasting time, or probably you are not getting value of what you're paying. This is the first version of this software, the first very version of this software, and it has a lot of things inside. Like it is so perfect. And I'm going to introduce you, I'm going to show you demo of how to use this software. The first thing you're looking at here is the official website, right? And the link you have on the screen, you can open the link and check it out. Before you use the software, you will pay for a license. But because I'm doing this live feed today and this moment and this time, I think the license is going to be free, right? For only business owners, right? For only business owners, people that have physical stores. It's not for people that does online business. People that have physical stores that does accounting. So it's best ideal if you have a I don't know what I heard my voice or what is it that I'm not even hearing myself again. All right. Okay, I'm back. So the software is called GetBigtinCore, or just call it BigtinkCore software. Is a product by Bigtin Digital Creation, my company. We build the software and we are launching it today. And thank God, so far we have gotten a lot of users that are using it already in their stores, and they're giving us feedback. And the feedback they are getting to us, giving to us, is very, very good. And also we are going to improve more, because launching the first version of the software is the first to get people to use it. So getting the second version out very, very soon, so that you can actually add more features and make it to improve. The software is not heavy, it's just lightweight software. It runs offline and also it runs online. So if you come to the website, if you scroll a little bit, you're going to see real-time report. This real-time report is very, very simple. This is what it means. Your real-time report, anytime, every single day, around 12 p.m., 11 p.m., or 10 p.m., you'll get a report, a detailed report of every transaction that have occurred in your store. It manages different stores. Let's say you have like 5 stores. This software manages it at once. So you have different 5 stores, we have different cashiers. All of those cashiers are going to be inside the software. They're going to have different accounts to log in, to do transactions, to do accounting, and also do other stuff that your stores do. So everything has to do with manual checkup, manual this, manual that. No, you don't need to do anything manually. Everything is done automatically, and every detail is pushed on the dashboard. I'll show you my own dashboard that I use to test run these different things. So let's get on to business. The first thing I'm looking at here is, like I said, the first one is the website, and you're seeing just go down. You're going to just see so many things. It has so many things for business. Like I said again, this software runs for people that has a retail business, a pharmacy, fast moving goods, and wholesales, enterprise systems, business owners. Like if you have any business, offline business, not online business, offline, based businesses, restaurants, supermarkets, hospitals, pharmacies, any business model you have, so far as you are running it online, offline, this software helps you to manage every single thing about it. I hope you are getting me, right? So let's go down again. We're going to just go down, go down, go down, go down. Then, if you now want to now use the software, how can you use the software? Just go to services page. You're going to see every single thing that you need. The POS terminal is very, very perfect. We have the pricing page. Just check the pricing page. Now, this is where the magic starts. For you to be able to use the software, you need to be able to make payment for the license. Like I said again, because I'm making this video right now, this moment, and this few minutes, the license gives you opportunities to have several computers installed inside. Now, on the pricing, I think it's very ideal. It's very, very minimal. It's not that too deep. It's not that too big, right? We have like the starter plan, we have the growth plan, we have the business, we have the enterprise. Now, on the starter plan, you have one store, one location, up to 3 cashiers. But throughout today, this thing is going to be multiple locations, multiple cashiers. At the end of today's business, it's going to be the same way we have it on the starter plan. Then on the growth plan, you have like 5 store locations, unlimited cashiers, reporting, every single thing you need. It runs offline and it's run online. So whether you have an internet connection in your store or not, this software runs offline. So it's just very crazy, right? So now we have the business plan. The business plan contains up to 10 store locations, unlimited cashiers, everything. And like I said again, today is the first version of this software. As the day goes by, you're going to add more integration, add more features to it so that it makes sense. Even you're going to launch the mobile version very, very soon. All right. Now we have the enterprise grade system. That's the max plan, which is going to give you unlimited store location. Let's say you have a lot of franchise. You have unlimited locations, unlimited cashiers, custom integration, dedicated account manager. You have an account manager that manages your account, check everything that is going on in the platform if you have an issues or have an error. So then, go down a little bit, you're going to see a lot of things. A lot of things. It, it manages your stores, multi-store role. It manages your stores. I have a friend. I have someone already who is using this software. I have people already who are using the software. They have like up to 10 stores, and they have up to so many. They have so many cashiers, and everything is just working smoothly. So it's the first software by a Nigerian, right, for Nigerian businesses. So are you going to use it? Let's try. So the first thing you're going to just do here, like I said, is to start using the software. How do you start using the software? Is to come to the pricing, check the price that suits your business, click on choose starter or choose any plan of your choice. Let's say you want to choose the growth plan. Just start with the starter plan. If you are not satisfied with it, then you tell us, we refund your money, and you take the software and still go start using it for like a period of 3 days or 4 days before the software stop working from your store. Now we have the starter plan, we have the choose growth plan. Before you start using the software, you need to choose a plan to use the software first of all. All right. You need to choose a plan to start using the software first of all. So what I'm going to do now here is I'm going to come to, let's say I'm choosing the starter plan. Do you already have an account already? And I'm not going to buy another account. I already have an account to show you that how to use most of the interface so that you see how to use it. Now we have the starter plan, which is 15,000 naira per month. So this amount of money you're going to be paying every single month to manage your store and also to keep the software running on your store. So here you just put in your name, your email address, and your business name. Once you do all these things, you click on continue the pay tag. Once you make payment, you're going to redirect it back to your dashboard. And a license key is automatically generated after you make payment. So it's one of these kind. After you make payments for the software, a license key is going to be generated back. With that license key, you can be able to download the software. Right? With that license, once you make payments, after you've selected your plan, let's say you selected starter plan or you select the enterprise plan, anyone you choose, once you make the payment, you are going to get an email that contains the file of the software that you can download inside your PC, your computer or laptop, in your store, or in your warehouse, or your your office. Then that email contains the license key as well. and also the password to log into your account. Now, you can come back to the help center. Let's say you are looking for how to use the software. You are looking for solutions like ideal solutions to use the software. You want to really know how to use the software, how to, okay, what happens with this? If I have an issue with my account requirements, what kind of software, what kind of requirement that I need? What kind of hardware do I need to run the software? The hardware you need is just very minimal. Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 11. It runs on different Windows. There's no selected Windows for this software. So far as you have good memory, just like the processor is just like, let me say, Core i3 or equivalent, or Core i5, recommended for high volume stores. Now, it depends on how many inventory you have. If you have a lot of inventories, you need a heavy software, a heavy computer to run it. Then the RAM size, the minimum required is just 4 gig RAM. The storage is 500 MB. That's for your hard disk, and the display is just like normal resolution of 1366 by 37768 resolution or higher. Then the printer, what do you need? You need a printer and you need a scanner. All right, you need a printer, you need a scanner. So you can choose, maybe say 50 mm or 80 mm ESC printer, just like all this thermal printer that we use to print some stuff. Let me say USB, Ethernet, or Bluetooth printer. Just connect it to your store. Everything is connected automatically. Then you can use a scanner for scanning products that people are going to buy. So you can use standard USB printer, or you can use Bluetooth barcode scanners. So everything you need is already inside the software. So once you plug everything in, automatically it gets activated. And again, if you need someone to help you out, to teach you, there's a guide as well. There's a guide as well on how to use the software. So it's not something that you buy and you start looking for how to use it. No. If you buy the software and start using it, you have a dedicated team member or a dedicated account manager that will help you to run the software, help you to manage it, help you to show you how to, fix everything, show you how to, install it, add your inventory. It's just everything. Every documentary you need, every information you need on the software is right here. So you can go back to, let's say, go back to help center again, check the, what's the next thing? License activity. Okay, let me just choose which one again should I choose before we move into the next one. So inventory. Let's go to inventory. Adding product. Adding product is very, very important in this software because it runs offline and also it runs online. So you can do the manual inventory. For the automated one, that is the bulk install, like the bulk inventory, importing your inventory. This option is coming back. All right, this option is coming back. Maybe today or tomorrow we are going to launch the bulk imports for you to import your inventory. They say you have it into a spreadsheet. You're going to download the CSV template that suits the inventory style, like the format that you're going to use to import your inventory back to the software. For now, the inventory is manually. So you select the price, the SKU, the barcode, and the cost price, the selling price, the task category, everything you need is just right here. Let's go back to the help center again. Go back to, let me, which other one? I need just one inventory. Okay, like I said, offline first. This software runs offline and also it runs online. So whether you have a internet connection in your store or offline, everything runs smoothly. It doesn't stop your operation. So anytime there's no network in your store, the software will keep on running. So it's just your first software for first businesses. So let's get down to the next one. So let me just log into my account because I already have an account to show exactly how it works. So I'm going to click on console. If you click on console, with the email address that you have used to get the license, you're going to get a password as well. So that password you get from paying for the license, you're going to log into the account. So here I'm going to just log into my account and I'm going to go into my dashboard. So I'll show you how this thing looks like. So now I'm inside my dashboard. Thank God that this is here. So this is my dashboard. You can see from here, like I said, this is the first version of this software, and we are going to introduce the new, that is the version 2, very soon. Let me say today or tomorrow, we're going to introduce the version 2. So this is the first version of the software, and everything is working perfectly fine. I have a physical store that I'm managing right now, and we have a lot of users who are, a lot of stores who are just, using the software. And this is just my own personal account that I used to show how it works. Now, if you look at this thing properly here, we have like revenue is just 21,000. That's the amount of sales I've made already. Now you have the inventory style. This is where you see your inventory, right? This is where you see, okay, let me go back to the dashboard. You see the the revenue, you see the expenses. In the software, your staff, your cashier can be able to input the expenses they make every single day. So you, that is the store owner, you can be able to see all these expenses. You can see everything: revenue, sales, stock alerts. You're going to see every single thing. Anytime that maybe your inventory is going low, you are going to receive an email that a particular product is like a particular product that you have in your inventory is going low. You need to stock back. So everything is automated. This system is automated. The expenses, the profit, the revenue, every single day you get a detailed breakdown overview of what is going on inside your store. You have the net profit, you have the total transaction you have made so far. So go back to the inventory page. The inventory page is where you see magic. This is where you see how many products you have, how many total stock units you have, and low stock item. Let's say, for example, I have only one product. This is just like a test product. And you can see from here, I don't have any, it's just like it's stock remaining. I think it's supposed to be like, I don't know, it's supposed to be 100 stock, yeah, or 12 stock. It's supposed to be 12 stock because I think I sold like a 12 to test run this thing. And you can see from here, it contains the ID, product name, that's paracetamol, and the barcode of the product for scanners. You can scan it with your scanner. Then you have the selling price is 1,700. The cost price of the product is 290 naira, right? Then the stock that is remaining is 88. Once the stock start getting to 10, or let's say 5, you're going to get an alert that this particular product is going low. The category of the product is also here. The pricing. Are you selling this product based on only a single pricing or wholesale price? You're going to see it. And you're going to see the supplier as well. So the supplier that supplied this product, you are still going to key in the person's data. So the status is online and also offline. So I hope you guys are getting everything correctly. Please, if you know that you are here and you're enjoying this video, please make sure that you are actually, let me see your emojis, or let me just see. And if you have any question, also be dropping so that I can be answering you. So as I'm saying, talking about this video right now, I'm streaming on Facebook, I'm streaming on YouTube, I'm streaming on TikTok. I'm streaming on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram at the same time. So anywhere you are watching this video from, you are highly welcome. So we are in business today. Then we come to my store. This is my store. It's where you see all your own stores, like when you see all your stores, right? See all your stores, your own cashiers. I deliberately deleted the store. All right, I deleted the store for testing purposes. And you see all your stores, your cashiers. You can add a new cashier. You put their username here, put their password. This is what they are going to use to log in inside the software in your computer. All right. So anytime you have a new staff, and let me say you have a new cashier, you can create an account for them, and they'll manage your store, the sales, and everything. So you can add a new store, your store name, and the store address. It's just very simple. So let's get that to business as well. So you have the sales page. This sales is where you see all your sales record for the day. You see all the sales record you have gotten for the day. So from here, we have the receipt number, we have the cashier that made the sale, the date and time, the method of the payment, which is cash, the total amount of the product that was sold, the action, which is going to be view details. So this is the sales record that you see as a store owner back on your own side. Not cashier will see this thing. Cashier will not be able to see this online version of your software. So what they're going to see is basically the offline software, which they're going to be using to key in the data. Though they were going to see their sales every single day, they make a sale, right? And this is what you're going to be seeing as the store owner. You're going to see every sales record, the person that made the sales, the time, the receipt number, the amount of money, and also the detail. Let me just open this one. If I open this cell now, you can see that I sold paracetamol, and the quantity was 11. All right, and the price was 17 per one. Let me say one of the item, and the total is 18,700 naira. All right, so you are seeing that every detail. You can even print the receipt back. You can see the transaction information, the date, and the time. All right, and everything you need is right here. You see the time, the subtotal is 18,700. The VAT for the product, if the product comes with VAT, you're going to see the VAT, which is going to be 1,200 naira. That's 7.5% of this total fee, and the total the person is going to pay is 20,102.5 naira. So Another one is going to be the accounting. The accounting part is where you see all the accounts, the total revenue that you have generated in the past, maybe that day, that week, that month, and all general sales record. I'm still going to be adding more features inside. Like I said, this is just the first version of the software that I built. I'm going to see this is the week, see the month, and I'm going to see the all. So this is the total expenses that's incurred in your store, which is going to be the category is fuel, the note for running the generator, the amount is 2,000 naira, the date that this transaction, this expenses incurred was, I think that was yesterday, 10th of May 2026. You're going to see the total breakdown of profit and loss summary. The next one is going to be the suppliers. So this supplier is where you're going to see the suppliers that you have for your stores, people that supplies goods to you. So let's say you have like someone that supplies wine, you put it out there. So it's just very, very simple. You can create a new supplier if you want to, but this one is disabled by default. Now you cannot add a supplier right now. Then we have the payments page. This is where you're going to see the license, every single thing you paid, right? And you can renew your licenses, your subscription from this point. But me, I'm the admin, so I'm not going to pay for anything, right? Then this is license. This is license page. This is where you're going to copy your license. You're going to see how many days that is remaining for you to license to expire. All right. Anytime the license expires, your software locks. Now, this is the download page. All right. This is the download. This is where you're going to download the software. So, like I said, this is the first version of the software. And maybe in the future, maybe before this year runs down, we are going to get the Android version of the software. And I hope that time we are going to have an amazing experience. And this is just the beginning. And okay, then you come to the download page, you're going to download the software. Right? You're going to download the software inside your PC or desktop in your store that you can manage. Me, I already have it already. I already have the software. So I'm going to show you how to install it, how to activate the license, how to do other things inside the software. So the next thing I'm going to just show you here is installing the software and activating it. Like I said, immediately you buy the software by going to the home page, right? By going to the home page and clicking on pricing and checking up the pricing. Let me say the one that suits you. Let's say you want to go for the starter, the growth, the business, and enterprise, and click on the growth. Anyone you clicked and make payments, automatically you're going to get the license. All right, you are going to get what the license to be able to log into your dashboard and download the software. So once you download the software, you are going to start doing. You're going to start installing the software, and you're going to get the license. The license is what you need to activate this software. So with that being said, let's move to the next one. Let me show you something. Let me share my screen. Let me share the biggest screen right now so that you see what we have. Let me share the whole screen. The entire screen. That's what I'm going to share right now. So I hope you guys are following. Where is it? Where is it? What is it? Okay. Add specs. So this is now the step on how to install this software. I hope you are following, guys. How you following, guys? Thank you so much for the likes. I have 10 persons watching from TikTok, from Twitter as well. Thank you so much, guys. I have like a lot of people watching from different angles. Like I said again, I'm streaming on Facebook, I'm streaming on YouTube, I'm streaming on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn at the same time. So let's get down to business. This is where we are going to install the software inside our PC. So now this is the software. I already have it inside my PC. So once you download it, just follow the prompts, follow the installation installation flow to download the software. And once you are inside here, you are going to, after installing the software, this page is going to open for you. So this page is the page for you to put in the license key that you have. So here, I already have the license that I have. All right, I'm going to install the software. So I'm just going to click on put the software, the license key, which is going to be 45. All right, 65. If you copy the software, if you copy the license software, I don't know you cannot be able to download itself. So there's no need for you to copy the license key. Because after this class, I'm going to disable the license. So it's not going to be useful anymore. So don't worry. Don't say you want to use the license key. No, you cannot use license key. This is a 4565. All right. 65. Okay, 456592. 6380503168. Yeah, this is license key. I'll click on verify license. It's going to verify. Now, once it's verified, automatically it's going to authenticate to your account, all right, to show that you already have the software, you bought the software already. Click on continue, and your data is going to be pulled from the website back to the software. All right, your data is going to be pulled from the online portal to the online version. I hope you guys are getting it. All right, I hope you are getting the magic. So once you are here, you create a preferred password. This password you're going to create here is different from the password you are going to create from when you bought the software license. So this password now is only for this particular computer, that you can be able to log into the software. You can see from my account here. This is the account here. That is fridayalex234@gmail.com, and that is my email address. Let me show you. Let it not be that I'm just making out. So this is my account here. Let me show you that my email address that is in that software. This is my profile. This is it here. fridayalex234@gmail.com. That is my personal email address. If you send me an email address, if you send me an email, that is it's fine. All right. So this, once you put the license and click on verify, it's going to put the data that you have on the software. It's going to authenticate it. So come back to the software again. Then put the password. I'm just put a random password I can remember. Just let me just say 1234. Then 1234. Okay? Let me just use the password and get started. Then from here, I click on create account and open software. Okay, they say password must be at least 6 characters. Wahala. Let me put my normal password back. All right, so put the password back. Click on create account and open software. They say your software account is ready. Next, business profile if needed. Click on continue. Go to continue to the dashboard. So this is the software now. This is where the magic happens. Let me remove this thing now. So this is the software. So you see that everything here is just like this. Now, there's a magic in this software. I can pull the data from the online portal back to the software. All right, I can put the data from the online portal back to the software. I can put data from here back to the online. I'm currently online right now, right? I'm currently online. So I can click on sync data online, and every data I have on the software is going to be synced back to the online portal. But here, I don't have any information. I don't have any data. Like, I don't have any single data. I have not made any sale. I have not made any, there's no product at the moment right here. And there's no staff at the moment. I have like 3 staff, right? That's 3 cashiers. You can see this here, 3 cashiers. I have 1 stores already, right? Like I told you, I deleted it on my portal, and on this software, you see that we have every the thing I created, like the pushing data online, is not synced to my portal. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to audit log. This is what you are going to see as the store owner, right? This is what you are going to see as the store owner. You're going to see this thing. This is where you're going to see everything. Every action by every staff, you are going to see everything here. This is the first version of this software. The very first version of this software. So in the next 3 to 4 months, there's going to be a lot of changes in this software. There's going to be so much changes in this software. So back to what I'm talking about here. Go to my supplier here. Let me go to setting page so that I can be able to put data back into the software. All right, I need to be able to put data back so that everything can be working together. So this is what I'm going to see here. You see the receipt. You can update your store. You can create a new store. All right. Now let me just create a new store. Let me just click on seeing data from portal. All right. Back here. Now, as you are doing all these things, you are getting an email. As you are doing all these things, you are getting an email. Once you activate your software, you are going to get an email. So now let me create a store. Let me just name it my name. I'll paste store, something like that. Then its location is going to be Abuja. Then my address, we'll say Zone 6. My Tama. Abuja. This is my store. Now, this address you're putting up here is what is going to appear on every receipt. All right. The phone number 0810 4567810. So this is my my number, but that is not my number anyway. My email address just let me put halfway stores. Let me just say store.com. On this point, please make sure you put your rate data. I don't have anything has to do with VAT or percentage. I don't charge people VAT. That is your like option now. If you are charging people VAT for different products, you are good to go. So let me know if you are still following. Are you still hearing what I'm saying? Are you still hearing what I'm saying? My people from Facebook, are you seeing what I'm okay? Okay. All right. Are you guys still hearing me? My people from TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, are you guys hearing me? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay. Yeah. Let's move ahead. Then at this point, just click on create or save. You have saved that store. You have created that store. Now the store is created already. I can switch the store back. If I come to the store is created already, they'll come to where can I find this thing? Okay. Come to supplier. Can add a new supplier. They just click on new supplier. And you can even choose whether it's a supplier or an agent. If it's a supplier, you choose. If it's an agent, you choose. So I'll just choose my choose a name for the supplier. I'll just choose Peter Resources Limited. That's my supplier name. All right. Let me say this person I'm buying beer from. I'm buying something from. The phone number 0816 sorry 6673866. The email address. Let me put the email address. Let me say peter@gmail.com. I'm just showing you something I can actually do. Then the address of the supplier, just say Boja. Then add the notes about the supplier. Let's say that this person is the person that supplies you wine. They say this is our supplier for wine drinks only. All right. Then you click on save information. You can see the information is already saved here. So you can you can even edit it back if you want to edit the supplier. You can edit it back here, and you can add any information you want to add on this point. But I don't want to edit anymore. You can add another supplier. Let's just say I have supplier 2. Let me just say okay, an agent 2. Let's say who again? Glory. No, let me use Obina. Then the phone number. Okay, let me just say Obina. Okay, let me just say Elijah. Okay, Elijah. Enterprise. Okay, international. Let me just say international companies. All right, then I'm going to come to phone number 081 0130909. The email address, just put the email address of the person. If you have the person email address, then click on email. It's going to be Elijah. All right, Elijah companies. If you have the person's email address, but it's good to have your supplier or agent's email address and information. Then the address of the person, you can just say Sokoto. What am I talking about? Sokoto State, Nigeria. I say this is our supplier, our agent for mineral, for just like say for something else. All right, it cannot be for one again. It cannot be for another person. This is our agent for what again? biscuit. Is it biscuit? I hope I got it correctly. I hope I got that biscuit correctly. Click on save. You're going to have that. You have like agents and supply already. So you can have load of suppliers. Then we have the receipt. There's no receipt yet. We have accounting. You can add expenses. Let's say your staff or in your office, you guys already had expenses. You put the category of the expenses, you put the amounts of the expenses, you put the notes. Like you can say that the category that you made expense for today is going to be for fuel, or let's just say shop repairs. It can be anything. I can even say is let's just say shop. Category is going to be shop. Then the amount is going to be, let's say, 15,000. Then you're going to say expenses for both fuel and car repair. But you are not going to add these things like this, right? You're not going to add two expenses at once. For example, you can name the expenses. Let's say I'm adding two expenses here, expenses for both fuel and car repairs. What exactly is the fuel? How much is the fuel? You can say fuel is 7.5 and the car repair is 7.5. So that when you are doing your accounts, you know what you are doing. You click on save. You have added an expenses to the system. So you come back to the inventory. You can add a product. All right. You go to accounting. You're going to see the expenses here. We are running lost because you already have an expenses for today. That is lost. It's not revenue. So there are two different things here. Then I'm going to come to inventory. Then I'm going to add a product. Then add a product. I'm just going to name it anything. Just going to be, let's say, Evan Wine. Evan Wine. That's the product name. Then the barcode. The barcode can be the number in the barcode, or can be any number in the product you want to sell. So the barcode number can vary. So now we are going to do something very quickly. Just add a barcode number. Let's just say a random barcode number in the product, so I can easily scan it. I just say 85 so and so some number. This is barcode, like generated barcode, like in this product. Then the price of the product, is it wholesale price you are selling it, or single price? If it's wholesale price, you select wholesale price. If it's single product, you select it. Then the selling price of that product, everyone is about 7,000 something, and I think it's 7,000 something, 7,800. But the cost price that you bought the software, you bought, sorry, not the software, the wine. How much does it cost for one product? Right? How much does it cost for one product? Let's say the cost price for the software, the wine, is 5,000 naira for one bottle. But the selling price is 7,800. That means you are making 2,800 naira as gain. So you put everything. So if you made a mistake, let's say you are selling, a cost price is 5,800 and you are selling it 5,000 naira, you are losing 800 naira. Okay, okay. Let's say the cost price is 5,000 naira and you are selling 4,500. You are losing 500 naira anytime you made a sale, and accounts will not be balancing. So make sure that this particular place now, you know what you are doing. So let me just put it as back as let's say 7,850 naira. That means I'm buying this thing as 5,000 naira and I'm selling it as 7,850. You see the balancing. You see the gain. That this gain now is also the cost price. The selling price also covers the delivery of the product, the logistics, and every other thing. So you know that this product now, this is how much it costs you to buy it. It costs you to buy it 5,000, and that 5,000 naira you are buying it, you want to sell it at 7,850. So that 850 can be your gain. But the 2,000 naira here is going to be, let me say, it's going to cover the expense that you took when delivering the product from the store or the supplier down to your own store. That is how the magic works here. Then the stock of this Evan wine, how many pieces do you have in your store? How many do you buy? How many do you have in your store? Let's just say Evan wine is just like 50 Evan wine. Some people might have more than this. Then if you have any other variants, then it's Evan wine 2 or something. But it is best, right? It is best here if you have different types of Evan wine. You add it one by one. Let's say Evan wine 2, Evan wine 3. Different prices, different barcodes, so that you're not making a mistake, because we have Calorosi. Calorosi is a wine, and it had different variants. It had different types. So when you have Calorosi 1, Calorosi 2, wine, grape juice, or any other type of Calorosi wine, you add it. You can add 1 million products here. All right, you can add 1 million product here. Then you come back again. You choose the supplier that supply this product to you. It's very important because you need to know what is going on, so that when you are doing accounting, everything can be balancing. I hope you guys are following. So since I'm doing, it's wine I'm doing, it's going to be category. The category is going to be particularly beverages, right? Or groceries. And the subcategory is going to be soft drink, because everyone is soft drink, right? So just leave it as soft drink. Then you choose the supplier that supply this product to you. Then you click on that is Peter Resources Limited. All right, Peter Resources what Limited. Then you click on save. Do you want to add a product image for this product? Do you want to add a product image? I don't want to add any product. I don't want to make things to be hard for me. I'll click on not no. I'll click on OK. Automatically, this product have been added to your store. So the same way, you can be doing it manually. But if you want to now do it bulk, because adding it one by one will take time, right? It will actually take time. So there's an adjustment we are going to make on this part, right? There's an adjustment I'm going to make on this point now. On this point now, you can be adding it one by one, like manually, single product by single product. It's going to take you time. Unless you are someone like me that does things perfectly, like it's so fast for me to add products. I can add a product, I can add a category. Now this is a category. Let me say we have a category for Carlo. I think I got the correct name. Carlo Rosie. I don't know the correct name, Sha. Let me just put a Carlo Rosie, something like that. Let me say this is Carlo Rosie. No, just wine. All right. The category name is wine. So the subcategory on the it's drink now. It's drinks. It's drinks. So it's going to be drinks. It's soft drinks, because this one is soft drink. You are not selling beer. Soft drinks. All right. And soft drink. Is it soft drink or soft drinks? Which one? Soft drinks. Soft drinks, yeah. Then you come here, you add maybe mineral, you add any other product that is soft, that is not hard, like alcohol, all these big drinks now, what I'm talking about. So the soft drink can be, let's say, it's on Pepsi. Pepsi. You add it. So anytime you're adding a product, all right, you can be able to change the category. Let's say this one I added an Evan wine. I want to change, I want to edit it. I'll tap on it, click on edit product, and I'll come down again. I'll look for the category. You can see it here now. We have the soft drink. You look at soft drink, you see the category here, Pepsi. You change it back. At this point, I don't want to change it to Pepsi, because what I'm having here is only I'm having only wine. Eva is not a Pepsi. It's not Pepsi, but it falls under soft drink, right? So you need to change it to normal. Is it beverages or general? I don't even know what I'm. Okay, let me go to beverages. Okay, soft drink. Let me go to soft drink. So just leave that cancel, because I don't want to update it. Now, if you want to update, like add bulk products is possible. Click on import and export. Click on import and export. You go to it. You can import the product in a CSV file. All right, in a CSV file, this document, the tutorial about how to use the CSV file is going to be dropped today. Every tutorial we need on this software, how to run, is going to be dropping from now till Friday. So we hope that before then we can be able to cover so many features, so many pages on the software. So we have the import product CSV. You can export the data out. You can import you can see it now. I've exported it and I said the thing is saved in my device. This is where I'm going to see the export. It is saved inside my computer now. So if I want to import a CSV, import a product like the inventory, the inventory is very important. That's why I'm spending a lot of time to teach you guys how to use the inventory part. The inventory here that's the main core engine of this software, right? Because from this inventory, you can be able to sell. You can be able to do what? Sell different products. So you come here now. You had import CSV file. You can import. I don't have any CSV file that I want to import, so I don't have any CSV file. I'll just leave it because I don't have any CSV file. Then from here, you see everything. You see the stuff we have here. I think I forgot another thing out. I forgot about that thing. Okay. Okay. Yes, I forgot. There's something I forgot to add. I'll add it later. Right. Sorry. So now the next thing is going to be the sales. Right? The sales. There's no sales yet. There's no what sales yet. From the sales, you're going to see how many sales you have made from the all stores, halfway store, the main store, the everything. So I'm going to switch different store. I can switch different stores here. Right? I can switch different store. I can link a product to a particular store. Right? I can link a product to a particular store. That is one of the magics here. So let's say now this product I have here now that I added here. Now this is the general admin. General admin. All right? That's what you're saying here. I can link the product to a particular store. Let's say I have like three different outlets, and these 3 different outlets have different products inside. I can add different products and add all of them and link them to those stores. So this is the magic about the software. Like I said, we have a lot of updates this week. This week is going to be so heavy. So we are going to do a lot of things. Just make sure you are following up. So I think the next one is going to be the sales. Okay, talking about the sales. The sales is just very simple here. You gotta see, you can check sales record from month to month, from days to date. You can even check from stores, check from cashiers, check from anything. Now let's add a cashier. Let's add one cashier. Let's add a cashier here. Okay, go to users. You see that we have some cashiers already here. All right, we have some cashiers already. All right, I can choose this one, the one that I have before on my website. All right, let me show you. I will come to my cashiers. Where is that cashiers? No, where is this? Where is this? Where is my cashier now? Okay, look at my cashiers here. You can see we have like admin, Gloria, and my name. All of them are just admin. But I want to change them to cashiers. I want to change this Gloria to a cashier. I don't want to make it admin. So I'm just going to my software. Now on this part of adding your roles, you can add a manager right here. The manager oversees every staff, oversees every sales, oversees every single thing, but they can't alter any single thing. The permission there is that a manager will not be able to alter anything. They only see the accounting part, see the inventory, see the sales, see the receipt, see the suppliers. They can add suppliers, they can add accounts, they can add a product. All right. So I want to change these people. I have like 3 persons right here. I have like 3 users. I have the main admin, the main person that purchased the software. You see that there's no store assigned to that person now. There's no store assigned to this particular one that is called admin. This one, another one is Gloria. All right. So I want to change this person, this Gloria, from admin to another row. I'll click on edit user role. Change the person to, I can change it to auditor. I can change it to manager. I can change them to admin. So now I want to change them to what? The cashier. I'll click on cashier, click the girl. You see now, it have changed to cashier. If I come to you can see the store. I have not assigned that particular person to a particular store. Let's say you hire new staff. You want to assign them to a particular store. So now, everything you are seeing here, every action I'm taking on this software, it is recording. So no staff will come and tell you that, I don't know when I did this. No, you are going to see it. So everything I'm doing right here, I'm going to show you. Go to audit logs. You can see everything here. The author is Friday Alex. That's my full name. That's the main person that bought the software. Edit staff role, create product, add expenses, add suppliers, add agents. These are, you are seeing all this in real time. It's not something that you're going to just say, I don't know when this happened. You're going to see this thing. I'm still going to log out from this account and log in back into the admin, like into one of the cashier's accounts, so that I will show you how the thing works. So go to supply agents. Sorry, not here. Go to, where is it? Users. Now, click on this girl and then click on edit user store. Now, I want to assign this person. Let's say I have onboarded this staff to my store. Maybe I've onboarded this particular person to my electronic shop, or to my pharmacy, or to my supermarket. I want to make this person to be in one of the locations. I'll click on here I'll choose either main store or halfway store. Remember that I created a store here. All right. Click on halfway store. Click on save. This particular person now have been changed. So any person that is going to, this girl now, any sale that she's going to make is going to make from this store. All right. So now let's add a new person. All right. Click on add a new staff. All right. Then should I use my name? Okay, let me use who should I use the name? Who should I use the name? Let me use Peter. Let me use Peter. Peter is my brother's name. Password. Okay, put the password. Then the role. I don't want to be the person the admin. Make it to be cashier. Store location. This one. Click on save. I've added another person. You see the magic. I can reset the user's password. I can do was reset the user password. It's not hard. I can reset the user password. So, all right. So I hope you guys are following. I hope you guys are following. Now, on this point now, let me say I want to reset this girl's password. I'll click on reset password. I'll change the new password for that person. A cashier cannot be able to change the password. They can't change their password to avoid tampering on some data. So now let's go back to the store, the POS page. This is the POS page now. This is where the magic, this is where the sales comes. This is where all the sales comes in, right? And on this point now, I can make it to go on full screen. I can make this page to go on full screen. Just tap on full screen POS. It's going to go on full screen. So everything I'm going to be doing, every step I'm going to be making is going to be coming down here. So let's say now I want to make a sale. Maybe a customer walks in and I want to sell a product. And you can see that I have only one product here, Ever Wine. I have only one product. That's Ever Wine. And the selling price is 7,850. And the stock price, the stock quantity is 50 quantity that is remaining. Now, I want to sell this thing to this person that walks in. If I already have one product already. So if let's say I have like 20 products, all right, it will appear here. If I have like 1 million products, it will appear here. All right. And I want to type a product name. Just type Ever. You're going to see the product is going to appear. Now let's say that we have like 20 different types of Ever. You select the one you want to select. If the person even, let's say you have your printer, like you have your the scanner, Bluetooth scanner, just scan it. All right, scan the product. It will appear on the screen right here on the cart menu. So now this is the product. Let's just find. Let's just type a product that we don't have. Let's just type something. Let's just say wine. Okay, we have wine already, so you're going to show wine. Let's just type HO. That's home. There's no product called home. Let's just type Pepsi. There's no product on our invented that is called Pepsi. So can I sell this product? Yes. Double tap on it. It just appear on the cart by double tapping on it. Then click on choose the method the customer made payment with. Choose the method the customer make payment with. I can choose cash. I can choose bank transfer. I can choose POS. I can choose money, my money. I can choose split. It's your choice. Splitting means that this person paid half of the money cash and paid the other one through another means of payment. It's your what choice. Depending on how customer comes in to buy a product, they can walk into your store and say, okay, I want to make payment, but I don't have all the whole cash. I'll give you part payment and you give me, I'll pay through card transfer. So anyone that the person make payment, you choose. Like on this split now, there's something we are going to make on this split. I remember something I'm going to add on this split now. So let's just say the person made through bank transfer. You choose bank transfer and everything is just here. Click on print. You are going to print the receipt. I have printed the receipt now. I've sold that product automatically. I've sold that product now. And the print out is going to be print, is going to print out automatically. The printer is going to send. This is how the printer looks like. This is the printer out here. So you see you see the magic here? You can print it out instantly. Now the product has been updated. This is there 49, from 50 to 49. Right? So go back to this place, go back to our, dashboard. You can see now we have sales. We have made a sale already. We have one transaction. We have made a sale, but still we are still running on lost. You know why? Because our expenses is even bigger than the sale we made. That's why we are running on loss. So if you go to the accounting again, you're still going to see the same thing. So if you go to the inventory, you're going to see we have only sold one product. So if I go to my sales page, you're going to see the product I sold, the receipt number, the store, the cashier, the payment method, the total, the everything the person made payments. You're going to see every single thing here. I hope you guys are following, right? I hope you guys are following everything I'm doing. So then I'm going to come to what next again? Okay, let me go to account, my accounts, and I'm going to click on sync data online. Let's say I've closed for the day, right? I have closed for the day, and I want to make this data to be online. Let's say I don't have any internet at all, and I've already made some sales. I'll click on sync data online. The data is going to be sent online. The data will be sent to us online. Click on OK. All right. So I'm going to log out and log in with one of the rows, one of the users. Let me say Gloria or Peter. Let me log out. I've logged up on the software. Now let me log in back with the user. Let me say the cashier. So everything you're seeing here is exactly how the software works. It works offline and it works online. I have not seen a software like this before in my life. All right. So this software is everything you need, right? It's everything you need to actually, run your business, run your physical business, manage your staff, manage everything you need. So now let me log in, put the user. All right, put the user. Go to the sales. Is it Gloria? Yeah, Gloria. Password. I'm logging in as a cashier now. I'm logging in as a cashier right now. So I'm just going to click on login. Oh, I don't know the password again. No, wait. Okay, there it goes. So login. Wait, so it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the password? Okay, Peter. Let me use Peter. Password. Password. Okay. Now this is the Peter account. This is the Peter account now. So I'm going to go to my sales. I want to make a sale here. This account here. There's nothing here. So once your cashier finished the account, right? Once they finish sales, you can come back here and click on push data to the online. They will push the data online. Data will be updated. So let me go back to the receipt. There's nothing on the cashier. This person has not sold anything. So the account is just 0. So I'll come to POS, click on full screen, and double tap to just sell. They can even open calculator instantly to calculate a sale. So they say they want to just make a quick calculation. They just open here and type any number they want to just say 200 plus 260. It's going to give them 460. So this one is a quick calculation, right? And the person now pay them. They just click on take out and print. All right. I've sold one product. All right. This is the product here. See the product. And that's it. So let me just say I want to sell another one. Let's say I want to sell like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 products I want to sell. Click on checkout. All right. And I'm going to click on this receipt again. Instantly, the receipt have been, sent to printout. So everything is created. Let me go back to the full screen again. Let's go to the sales page. You see that we have some sales already. You see the sale we have here. Pretty much very simple, right? We have made like 2 sales record and 2 completed already because I've sold 2 things. No cancel products. I've not canceled anything. And total value is 67,000 something. So now let's go to dashboard. You're going to see the revenue. The revenue, you're going to see the gross profit, you're going to see the net profit. So you see everything here. You go to the inventory, you're going to see how many product that is remaining, right? How many product is remaining here. And you're going to see the accounting. You see the account here. You can take for today, last 7 days, everything is still the same thing. So you go to the receipt. You have like 2 receipts already, right? 2 receipts is here, right? Then we have amazing products. We have the inventory, we have the POS, we have the sales, we have this one is for cashier account. So this one is the cashier account. So the cashier account is here, and we're just going to be, and then we go to account again and push this thing back to online. Though automatically, this thing is working online as well. So sometimes you don't need to push it. So far as there's internet, once it's, so far as there's an internet, it's going to be pushing. All right. So far as there's an internet, it is going to be doing what? Pushing to the automatically push the internet. But once you are done, let's say you made a product, you just push it online. All right, you push it online, it's very good. You push it online. So come back to home page. This is my store. This is my dashboard now. Now, you see that I installed the product and I push it. I push it from the dashboard. This is my own cashier's account. It's 7,510. This is the total sales. All right, total sales of this cashier. But on my admin account, that's the person that owns the store. You are seeing everything on real time. You are seeing everything on real time. 3 sales already, and total revenue is 5,948 naira. You are seeing your inventory. You see the Everwine. Like everything is still the same. What? Same thing. The supplier, Peter Resources Limited. The beverages category. The pricing is single. Cost, price, barcode, product name, ID. Everything is in detail. So we come to my store. You see, you have like 2 stores here. A main store, Abuja store. You see everything here. You see the rows. You see those guys now. The Gloria, the Peter, my admin, and admin. These guys, right? So now we have the sales page. This is the sales page. This is everything about the sales. And you can see that from the admin, this is the one. And also this is the one that Peter sold. All right? 2 sales. 59,000 something. So this is the sale here. The Evan wine. Quantity is 7. Price is 7,850. And the other price is this one. You can see everything. Everything is just like this. So this is how everything about the software works. All right? It's so perfect. Go to the accounting again. You're going to see the breakdown of everything. This is the admin area. This is the admin, the owner of the business. You're going to see the total sales for that day. This is accounting and finance for today. 75,000 something. For the week, the same thing, because I've not really sold anything. You're still going to see everything. For the month, everything. For all the whole sales, you're going to see the amount you have made. And the expense is going to be here. Also, look at that expenses here. Expenses for fuel and so and something. So go to supplier. You're going to see your supplier here. Look at it here. A large international companies. And we have the Peter Resources Limited. These are as a supplier. It's everything you need to run your successful business. So we have come to the end of this demonstration. I think this is only one product, right? So we still have more things to do, all right? Have more work to do. So go ahead right now. Go to the website. You have your store. Then let me close by saying this, right? Right, because I want people, you can even become an agent, a partner to this software in your location and get people to use it and make money. So that's the good thing about the software. Right? That's one of the good thing about the software. You can partner with the software and get people to use it and you still make your money. So let me log out from this guy and log out permanently. So you can make money from the software if you become a partner with us. All right. That means that you want to tell people about the software, you want to advertise the software for businesses and get paid. Don't worry about the onboarding system, onboarding processes. Everything is being taken care of. Right? Everything is being taken care of. So that's what we are going to be doing. So go down again. you're going to see become a partner. Click on it. You're going to open up this page. If you want to become a partner to this software to advertise it, you are going to get 35% commission for every transaction, for every solution the person made. So anytime you have a business owner that want to use the software, you are going to get 35% of every plan the person made payments for. Let's say the person made payments for 28,000 naira. You're going to get 35% of this money. Business plan, you're going to get 35% of the money. Enterprise, you're going to get 35%. So it is 35%, commission across the 4 plans. But you must have somebody that want to register on the platform. You have your own link, right? You have your own link. It's not nothing about the software. You have your own link. So here, just come to the dashboard, scroll down a little bit, go to the become a partner. Then you come here and read about it. Then passive income, fast approval. Make sure that you put your correct name. Your full name is needed. Your address, you must verify your address. Once you put the address here, you verify your email address. You're going to get an OTP. All right, you're going to get an OTP to verify your email address. So while you're doing that, let me just run it quickly so that I'll show you how it's been done. All right, let me just show you quickly. Let me log out from, okay, wait. I think, okay, let me log out from my phone because I want to, once I put the details, I can be able to verify everything. So let me log in here. Wait now, okay. Just give me a second, minute, is it a minute? All right. So once you are doing here, you put in your full name, your email address, your phone number, your physical address is needed, please. It's needed because we need to verify people who are ideal, who need this business. This is a business. If you take it as a business, you're going to make a lot of money. So imagine that you have about 10 persons or 10 stores in your location that's your recommended for the software and they use it. That's big money, That's big money, honestly. So here, I'm going to, put one of my email address. I'm just going to put one of my email. Let me find one of my emails on my phone. My name is Nobono Hakwe now. So I'm going to probably put my Nobono Hakwe. Then my email address, which one I'm going to use? Let me use which one? Okay, let me use this email address. Ohakwe deals at gmail.com. All right, then verify. Click on verify. Click on verify email. You're going to get an OTP. Just watch what is going to happen here. The OTP is now in my email. So click on open it. I'm going to put the OTP is going to be 867093. This thing is needed. After you got an OTP, you added the OTP here, click on get code. It's going to verify. You see the magic. Then you click on you, right? 081 6673 Physical address, Abuja. Let me just put in physical address. Then business experience you have in marketing is needed. Your experience in marketing is needed to run the partnership program because we need to verify everything. You need to know that you are a deal for this partnership program. We need to know that you are ready to take up this, partnership very seriously. Just describes how you want to actually become a partner. Something I say, I have, let's say, I just your like talk about why you want to be partner. I want to become, become a partner to this software and onboard business owners in my place location. I have experience. Sorry, I didn't get this correctly. What is it? Spelling check. Spelling check now. It's supposed to be so. Anyway, I have done it before. Let's just say I've done it before. Then I'm going to click on I'm not a robot. And once I'm done, I'm going to send the email. And I'm inside. The application is received. So you're going to receive a mail as well for becoming a partnership program. So once you send email, you have to just wait for a little while. We are going to call you. We're going to verify the license. You're going to verify your account. So why this is going like this is very, very simple. So I think I'm mostly got a great person, go to partnership. I wrote it, okay, I've seen the partner, I put the partner. It's very good. So please, I hope you guys are following. If you have any question, please you can drop it. If you have any question, please drop the question. If you have any question, please drop the question. If you have any question, please drop your question. So let me just try and log out. Let me just log out from my account file here. Log out from this point. Come here and go back to home. But now, how do I get the password? Because the password is too long. Man, the password is very, very long. So let's come back to the email address. If you have any question, just go ahead right now. Go ahead right now. This password is too long. Oh God. This password is so long. It is so long. It is so long. How do I put it back? So let me just log in. Let me just click on console. Let me put the password on hackways@gmail.com. Then the password is going to be, this is 3E08. If you have any question, just go ahead because I want to log into the portal right now. It's 90924F909215. I hope I got it correctly. Look, I'm not a robot. And I'm going to click on login. Let me know. Okay, you see it now. I'm inside my portal. This is a partnership portal. This is how it looks like. On this point now, you're going to see how much total earnings you have gotten. All right. Your email, you're going to use your referral link to register them. So once you get if you want to get somebody, you send them your referral link, they subscribe. Once they subscribe, you can be able to see your earnings. You're going to see a balance. You're going to see total referrals you have made. So for every qualified person that uses this software, that buy this software from your hand, you're going to get 35% cash straight up when they make payment. So you're going to see your wallet. This is your wallet, where you're going to see how much you have generated so far by referring people to the software for them to use it. All right? You can request for payouts when you have like 5,000 naira minimum. That's what you're going to receive. All right? But here now, I don't have any money because this is just my new account. So I don't have any money in my account, and I cannot actually, I cannot actually get payment. So go to settings, put in your name, put in your bank account. Let me just put. If you want to send me money, I beg. 3075 27 28 60. That's my account number. My account name is Obona Ohakwe Friday. So click on save. Your account number is saved. So now since my account is not saved right now, I can do other things I want to do. So come to my dashboard. I have not referred somebody to the software. So I don't have money as well. So this is a partnership page for you to partner with us. All right. So go to the wallets. I don't have any money. Click on payouts. There's no money. So if I have money in my wallet, once I have any money here, let's say 50,000, I can actually click on proceeds, request payouts, and you get your money to your bank account. So this is how this thing works. So let me just log out from the portal and go back to the home page. Is this software? Can you use it? Is it a software you can use? Right? Is it a software that you can use? So thank you so much, guys. Since you have any question more, thank you so much. Go ahead and start using it. If you have any feedback, please make sure you get back to me. Right? If you have any feedback, make sure you get it to me so that we can do things together. We can run things. We can run business together. So how do you see the software? Do you think is ideal? Do you think it's a software that you can actually use? Do you think it's a software that means so well to you, for your business, for a restaurant business, for a pharmacy business, for literally any business model that you are running? Do you think it's software that you can actually use right now? So go ahead and start using it. And thanks so much for tuning in. See you guys next time.